Okay guys, one more time how to open Microsoft Office Excel program with 3 easy ways. The first one, you can easily find the any Excel sheet on your desktop, double click on it so the program is going to be opened, or press on start menu, then you can find the icon for this program, tap on it so the program is going to open also, or search for the program down here typing Excel. You're going to find it as the first result, then press on it, the program is going to open. After you open the program, you're going to find the sheet starting from the right side. If you want to change it to start from the left side, press on page layout, then one more time on sheet right to left. Here the sheet is going to start from the left side. Press on home to return to the default view of the interface of this program. To insert any data inside any cell, all what you have to do is select it and then type whatever you want. Like today we're going to add a student table or student information table containing many information about a small amount of students. I'm going to add the names for them now. Okay, then here I'm going to add subjects. And a column for the total and another one for the average, minimum mark and maximum mark. Okay, that's good. Let's start to adjust this table. First, select the range of cells containing all your data. To change the place of the text inside each cell, all what you have to do is press on the middle align and center align. I'm going to change the zoom so we can see well. Then press on this icon, the borders icon. You can change the borders options through this place, more borders. Through here you can change the style of the border. I'm going to choose the thick one. Then you can change the color, and after press outline and inside to apply it, then press on OK. Now we got borders and we changed the text inside the center alignment of the cells inside this table. I'm going to add now numbers or marks for each student. To get the total for each student with the easiest way, press on auto sum icon. The auto sum icon is going to ask you for a specific range of cells. If this range of cells is correct, press enter. It's going to give you the answer directly. One more time, to get all data or all total marks for all students, instead of typing or selecting this cell and going to auto sum one more time, select the first finished one, and you have here a sign. It might be square or circle. Stand on it without clicking until the mouse pointer changes into black plus sign. Then press and scroll and move down. To get the average, press on this arrow of the auto sum icon. Choose average. Here he selected a wrong range of cells. He selected from B2 till E2 containing the total, which is wrong. So all what we have to do is reselect the cells one more time, or reselect the range of cells from B2 till D2 only. Then press enter. To get the average for all cells one more time, I'm going to stand here without clicking, then press and hold and move down. To get the minimum mark for each student, press at the same arrow one more time. I'm going to use the minimum formula and select the subjects, press enter, and I'm going to do the same what we did with the average and the total. The max also with the same way. Select the subjects, then press enter, stand here, use this sign and move a scroll down. Okay. If I wanted to show a data according to a condition, but first, before I use this formula, I'm going to change some marks for these students so we can know who's succeeded and who's failed. I'm going to change the marks for this student, make it 42, and here I'll make it 42 also for the mass. Can you see each time I'm changing the marks, the average and the total is changing also. Change the English subject, I need him under 60. Okay. Now let's see the notes. Inside the notes column, I'm going to add if formula, which is the one can carry a condition. The if formula must start with equal sign, and after it add if. Double click on it to make it active. After you activate it, you're going to find we have three parts of it. Logical test will be our condition, value if true, this value if true, or this message or this part of text is going to be shown according to this condition. If this condition came true, he's going to show us this value, the first one. If it doesn't came true, he's going to show us the second one. Let's try to add a condition to any cell of these cells. I'm going to put the condition on the average cell. If the cell containing the average, which in our situation F2 is greater than or equal 60, then, and to separate between the parts, I'm going to use a semicolon. And in some computers you can see instead of semicolon you're going to use a comma. From where you know? From the example shown for you right here. Between double quotation marks, I'm going to put the text value. If this condition came true, is going to be passed. If this condition came false, another semicolon to separate, failed. Close the double quotations and close the bracket, then press enter. Yes. What do we missed? Yes, we add a colon by mistake. Let's try one more time to press enter. Why? Yes, the quotation marks. We have double quotations, we have semicolons. Okay, then press enter. You're going to get your results. And for this notes also, we're going to use the same way to duplicate or to get all answers. Stand here without pressing, then press and hold and move down. It's going to give you all answers. To add the same border for these cells also, I'm going to press on borders, more borders, choose the thick one and press on outline, and inside press on OK. He's going to apply the border for them also. To add a background color, you can select the range, all the range of cells, then select from the colors or theme colors. You can choose the background color like whatever you want. Okay, what else we're going to know today? We're going to know the cells containing numbers only. With which one or which formula? Count. The count formula can count the cells containing numbers. We're going to use it after typing equal count. Double click on count. Now we made it active. Select the range of cells you want to count, the cells containing numbers only, then close the bracket and press enter. Here we have 28 cells containing numbers. Okay, Let's try to count the empty cells. The empty cells we can count it with count blank. Okay, count blank, the same idea. See, count, and move down here to choose count blank, double click on it, then select the range of cells. I'm going to select the count with me also in this one, then close the bracket and press enter. He count the 3 empty cells, those 3. I'm going to zoom out so you can see well. What else of the count we can use? Count if. The count if is going to count cells according to a condition also. How to insert it? Equal sign count, but this time we're going to choose count if. Choose a range of cells. I'm going to choose till here, from A1 till K5, then semicolon to separate, to move to the criteria or the condition. You have to put the condition between double quotation marks. I want to count the cells containing numbers. Have a number greater than 200. So I'm going to add greater than 200, then close the double quotations and close the bracket, then press enter. He counted 2 cells only containing numbers with a number greater than 200, this one and that one. I'm going to reselect those cells also so we can apply the same change. After this, to insert today's date. We have a formula named today. Double click on it to make it active and just close the bracket, then press enter. And as you see, he got the same date on the operating system. Okay. Let's move to another thing. How to rename the sheet. To rename any sheet, you have 2 ways. The easiest one is right click on the sheet and choose rename. I'm going to change this sheet with the class name, and then press enter. You're going to find this sheet is renamed with your name or your class name. How to protect a sheet? The same idea. Right click on the sheet and choose protect sheet. Check all these boxes so no change can be applied to this sheet. Add any password here, then press on OK. He's going to ask you to repeat it and press OK one more time. Now I cannot change anything. If I try to apply any change to this sheet, he's going to give me an error message. To unprotect the sheet, right click on it, then choose unprotect sheet. Enter the password, then press enter. Now you can insert or adjust anything you want. How to sort any data you have. If you have a large amount of data and you want to sort it ascending or descending, select the data, move to data option or the data tab, and from the data tab you can press on filter and sort. Sort is going to ask you sort by what. Let's start. You can sort the data inside your table according to a mark. It can be computer, English, math, or the total. I'm going to sort them by the average, smallest to largest, then press on OK. Can you see now what happened? He changed the whole data. Okay, he changed them according to my choice to sort them from the smallest to the largest. You can also filter them to show. If you pressed on the filter, can you see what happened? He add menus. You can choose whatever you want to show. You can show only or erase students. or erase a marks. Okay, let's see if I make it for students. Press here. I want to erase Ahmed and Hani. Press on OK. He's going to erase them. Show me Ali and Muhammad only. One more time. If you pressed here, you can add Ahmed and Hani and press on OK. This is all. I hope that you understand everything.